Yeah, good morning viewers, morning subscribers. Big up on yourself, people. This is Newlink production. Yeah, people, information just released. Families member just give information and the reason why Mr. Lowell Harton, that's the Golden Krust CEO and Golden Krust boss for decades, has committed suicide. They give the full details what has triggered this man to commit suicide, people, and Newlink gonna tell you exactly what the people say caused this man to commit suicide. You understand? They said this man business was in debt of tax. You understand? Meaning his business was going to collapse. All his businesses, his Golden Krust franchise, because he was owing the US government a lot of tax. And they said that is the reason what this man was going through and led him to shot himself, because surveillance camera have released showing when this man shot himself at his business place in the United States. Yeah, people, because they said in the day he was acting very funny, walking, talking to himself, moving up and down. You understand? And when they look, they saw him no more. Only time they saw him was when they find him dead. You understand, people? So this is the thing that caused him to be in this position where he led him and drove him to commit suicide, because even one of his employees, he had sued this man saying he owed him a lot of money for overtime, because all these years he was there at the company for 11 years and he never get a overtime pay, and that man was suing him for all those years he was working without getting overtime paid. You understand, people? So that's the reason they are saying drove Mr. Lowell Harton, the Golden Krust boss, the Golden Krust CEO, to kill himself. And it's so sad. You understand? As they say sometimes, not everybody can handle stress. Not everybody can handle problem. And when problem comes, oh my gosh, it's hard to deal with them. You understand? That's why you say some people, they take it to smoking. Some people take it to drinking. Some people get crazy. But Mr. Lowell Harton, he take it to suicide. And it's so sad. You understand? It's so sad to know when you're coming from so far with a business. You understand? Because this man is doing this thing from 1985, people. 1985. Just imagine when you start with one business, 1985, and in 2017 right now you have over 100 franchise in the United States and in Jamaica. Just check it up. You see me, I say, people. So it's so really sad right now. And as I tell you, Newlink production, I really feel the pain for this man, and it's just sad to know what has really caused him to do this. You understand? Because you know in the United States it's very strict when it comes down to tax. It's a very strict country when it comes to tax. You understand? And this man, he was the first, you understand, the first Caribbean businessman to get a franchise license in the United States. So you know that he was a truly great achiever and a businessman doing this thing, and he made Jamaica so proud because he was ahead of a lot of things, and he's a great example and a great pioneer to drive anyone to go in the course of business doing it in the state. And I just want to say my condolences to him and his family. You understand? I know he's gone now. I wish I could dare to talk to him before he do this, but that's just life. And we just got to say our deep condolences to his family and friends. This is Newlink production, and I just want to say big up my viewers, big up my subscribers all over the world. Big up on us.